Hi, so I'm making this video. I'm gonna give you a quick explanation before I play the audio that I recorded with the conversation I had with Chase. I'm with Chase for 15 plus years. I'm a good customer of Chase Bank. I have multiple credit cards with them. I have multiple accounts with them, and I have recommending Chase to all of my family and friends as well, since it's a good bank. And it's been so far treating me very well. But recently something happened, and this is not the first time this is happening. I was turned off last time too, and this time again, but this time I wanted to take some action. It's about their 524 rule. So they have sent me this application for the British Airways Visa card. It didn't attract me in the beginning. Then I did do the research. I am a kind of a credit card hobbyist, so I apply for credit cards. I have very good standing with multiple credit cards. I've opened 30 over credit card. None of them are in bad shape. My utilization is less than 10%. I have not made a single payment late. So I do get approved almost 99% of the time for the credit cards that I apply for. So, but before I apply, I want to see what benefits I'm getting, because I must be getting some benefits for having any credit card. Otherwise, because I have other credit cards that would give me benefit. If the one that I'm applying for is not going to give me the benefit, then there's no point of it. So anyways, I have applied for this card online after finding out that actually I can transfer the Avios miles to the American Airlines miles, and I can use it on American Airlines. I don't have to be flying internationally. So I've applied for this card, and they basically told me to they will send me the decision in the mail. I was a little surprised because I do not get denied for credit cards. So I've called them, and they transferred to reconsideration line, where a lady who was kind of condescending. She told me very clearly that you have applied for more than 5 credit cards in the last 2 years. We have a 524 rule, and it's a strict policy of Chase, and that's the reason we deny you. You don't have any other reason. Your credit is excellent, but we cannot give you because you have applied more than 5. Like, she tried to make me feel bad about having credit cards. I mean, if I can manage more than 5 credit cards in 24 years, then I should be able to get them. I have very good standing with them. I'm a good organized person with the credit cards. So I have tweeted at them on Twitter, and on Twitter they completely denied that this policy exists. Not even once, they denied it multiple times. And this time I really wanted to show people that they're lying basically on Twitter. So what I understand that this policy is for Chase to save themselves. And I'm all okay with that. I mean, of course, they cannot believe that every consumer is going to be responsible with having multiple credit cards. So here's the conversation I had. I called them again, and here's my conversation with them.
Welcome to Chase Card Services. Are you calling regarding a credit line increase or credit application? Press 1. For all other, please enter your 9-digit social security number.
Card Billing Services. My name is Luis. May I please have your first and last name?
I'm just wondering about the status of my credit card application.
Okay, thank you so much for waiting. I fully reviewed your application, and I see here that it was not approved. So would you like for a reconsideration?
Yes, please.
Okay, thank you. I'll update you as soon as I get in touch with this person now, okay?
Thank you.
Thank you. I'll put this call on hold now.
Hi. Thank you for holding. My name is Hema. I'll be assisting you today. How are you, Rashid?
I'm good, thank you.
Thank you. I have your application here for the British Airways card, and I do see here that we weren't able to approve your application because you have opened more than 5 cards in the last 2 years with you. I'm sorry, in the last 2 years. Not with you. I'm sorry. But did you have any questions about that?
Yeah, what do you mean I have 5 cards, 5 credit cards open in the last 24 months? Is there something like a rule or something about it?
Yes, Chase has a strict policy where if you have opened 5 or more cards in the last 24 months, we wouldn't be able to continue with the application process.
Okay, so you're saying that Chase has a strict policy that if you open 5 or more credit cards with any banks in last 24 months, you would not approve the credit card. So is there any other reason beside than that you are denying this credit card application?
Nope, it's just that. And yes, you are correct. Chase has a strict policy in the last 2 years, bank cards or any revolving lines of credit.
Okay. All right. So here's the situation. You're being recorded right now, and I will be posting this on social media because social media, Chase is completely denying that this policy exists. And this is not the first time I'm hearing from you. And I'm leaving Chase after 15 years of banking because of your lying about it on social media. I'm done with Chase. I don't want this credit card. And I'm leaving Chase anyways, even though I have very good credit. I have excellent credit, and this policy is damaging Chase. And Chase doesn't care about it. And not only that, Chase doesn't care about it, Chase is lying about it on social media. If you want, I can email you the screenshots of Chase not once, multiple times on Twitter denying that this policy exists, and you just told me this policy does exist. And you're not the first person. I talked to somebody before.
Okay, Rashida, you do not have permission to record this
Oh, hold on a second. Hold on a second. You have a permission to record my phone call? As you can tell probably that I have taken some parts off where they were asking for my personal information, which I'd rather be private and not be on social media. So I took that parts off, and wherever they put me on hold. Beside than that, this is my conversation. I'm done with Chase. I'm moving my accounts very soon, slowly, because I've been with them for a long time. I have to make sure that when I move my accounts, every information get moved with that. So I will be moving my account, and sooner than later, I will be leaving Chase. And now it's up to Chase that they will not make these mistakes again with any of their other consumers. If they don't care about it, we know very well you should be banking somewhere else. And when it's come to the credit cards, yeah, they have good credit cards, like Sapphire is a very good credit card. But there is other companies who are not lying to you and give you better benefits, if not the same benefits. Just one more thing I would say, that I'm a big fan of American Express Gold. They're a little bit more expensive, but their benefits and their service is phenomenal service. They would not lie to their consumer like this, not blatantly. I'm not saying that they're angels. None of these credit card companies are innocent, but hey, they should not be lying to me. That's all I want to say. Thank you.